Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 and we have to find the value of x power 12. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first step is I am going to multiply with 2 both sides. So this will eliminate. So 2x is equals to 1 plus root 5 or 2x minus 1 is equals to square root of 5. Now I'm going to do squaring both sides. So here we can use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and square root of 5 square is 5. So 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. 4x square minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. So if I'll take 4 as common, so x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to divide with 4 both sides. So x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So if I'll find the value of x square, which is equals to x plus 1. Now we know that we have to find the value of x power 12. So I can write it as x square whole power 6. Because according to exponent rule, a power m power n is equals to a power mn. So we know that the value of x square is x plus 1. So I can replace it x plus 1 power 6. Now again I can break this power 6 as x plus 1 whole square power 3. So here I can use a very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab whole cube. Now again we know the value of x square. We can replace it with x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus 1 plus 2x whole cube, which is 3x plus 2 whole cube. Here I'm going to use a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube is 3x whole cube plus b cube is 2 cube plus 3 times a square times b plus 3 times a times b square. So this gives us 27x cube plus 8 plus 3 square is 9. 9 times 6 is 54x square plus 2 square is 4. 4 times 9 is 36x. Now 27x cube, we can write it as x square times x plus 8 plus 54 x square plus 36x. Now we know the value of x square, that is x plus 1 times x plus 8 plus 54. Here again x plus 1 plus 36x. So 27x plus 27. Here x plus 8 plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x. Now we are going to multiply this x. So 27x square plus 27x plus 8 plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x. Again, the value of x square is x plus 1 plus 27x plus 8 plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x. So 27x plus 27 plus 27x plus 8 plus 54x plus 54 plus 36x. Now we are going to add 27x plus 27x plus 54x plus 36x. It give us 144x plus 27 plus 8 plus 54 is 89. Now the value of x is in the beginning of the question 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 plus 89. So 144 by 2, 1 plus square root of 5 plus 89. So if we eliminate it, we get 72. 1 plus square root of 5 plus 89. So 72 plus 72 square root 5 plus 89. 72 plus 89 is 161 plus 72 square root of 5. So the value of x power 12 is square root of 161 plus 72 square root of 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.